So na game pack for Adama. Omo ke hono pena yade agudi mu nsama de bro nsama ya na dot so de se fata sa wote na so ya chene vuvu ne adibu ada dot so pa na menum richo kwawie na me wi amadisika o game pack ya na me how ne say ye kako weekend no there's some planning and of course ye ka game pack one some that you say pick one aba the other better to be we need 26 times sika the better so no you 10 Ghana ka eto so imagine say 10 Ghana times 26 kakra bia de be prepare dey what you pekese dia now the kese to so but times 26 say pick one aba wo hwe na kwan bia so number bia ba tirim bia tirim say number we dey be bo no wo dey atoso na we discuss go botum call gamepackgames.com and I think program over call star 946 ashumia so no follow prompt and we discuss the agu bottom game pack more power a game pack for Adom mo kan hono pena and some idea pro and of course Richoko America come one some dia children nura I say Richoko mo manya some keto akra Richoko yetem so ani asore Richoko ma boy pa Richoko ma breakfast aye kama and I just so koda just say Richoko every time in the day with people bobina and nura hodo wo no otimi fili bia na hye we pa ne ade abusia Sajoba no chomba na paribu twa me producers kidwana kasane Erica Siedu Bwari ya mwakwa Muna ya nhwede yakoso nsem from Morocco and then yabeto dwa say the 2025 Africa Cup of Nations now wamo host intika channel so sa and so efa emamme now no edanchen ya na se kwan bia so vote ahodwa ba so no wamo ne nya na dodo pa wo kera bra wamo to eyesa abano CAF president Patrice Motsepe ninsamni
that EXCO has voted for to host the AFCON 2027 is we have to show, okay? It's Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania. Okay, can we clap hands for them, please? Let's clap hands for them. I think, Wallace, you want to give your head of state this? So I just want to say it is the first time in a very, very long time that CECAFA, because I think the last time CECAFA hosted was in Ethiopia, eh? Ethiopia, 1975, 76. Anyway, but the beauty is, if you look at the presentation that was made, you had all of the heads of state, President Ruto, President Museveni, President our Madam Salim, Samia, and all of them were expressing their deep commitment, and so we are very excited.
CAF President Patrice Motsepe Ninsawa what you two Ghana 2027 dia no be Uganda, Tanzania and Kenya one na joint bid called the Safa moto mu honti be say na one sub so be sia kwasa na koro kwa kache yen kopie onum se beto dwa se coach akwasi apia nya adwuma Sudan but ansa na obetumi akoro je say opim so asen ase ansa na wakontimi man ne bag so anko ni Sudan for no koye adwuma ne ade story any report e ba ne say opim so asen ase se kwasi betumi akoje Sudan adwuma no aye na kwa medan kwa communications director aidema aye metema kuma sasa ne koroko
Utun for near Santima de Juma Bishan, so he can only accept Sudan for no offer no abroad Santimera Amane and he on penny for it say Emma Heninya me drew feed and he shared him on Mokwa Mokushia no bruche. I'm on the opportunity him. I'm a nanane in penny for so Aja to say Aquasibiti me a call no Aqua Sudan Juma Nemum Kotoko Juma or the share in Sano when you're free in Sa or Gidio anymore. Say if he continues to stay around, the name there and this huna wenya or with me the boa current IMC away you some fanya kotokono. And Sudan they were shana kose obeti me ako. And onkona onko ejuma name more money rem fise or the naka juma kubi and na baby kubi who fie our moye kotoko juma. nti baby o bia no nkai no man aso ne da form na ne nan nyentetia na omofa ensom kotokonya Asantima eno achi nso Ghana Football Association Executive Council akwasi ya na adwen so obekọ no so no hia no kwese so onko so no onko na onko hese mpenifo beto abama na nti eno so kwasi ginam okay nti Nyame adoma na otwa wie oba bedru fie obedu ahihye no ebeto aso mpenifo so no mokasa na omo ebo na chidom no obeye se enye de ye huhui ene de ye titie ankofo ha obi ama the new Ghana Social Justice Forum for ene mo mo dey way say related to Abattoir no I try to place injunction on it me nya da jinkin kan mo wie I don't want to but my statement of claim on an idea related to Abattoir no but Nyame adom na kwasi bedru weekend na say bibia to ya almost all come ho no mo din komo no he will do that. Because supporters say once the king has directed and now say what then a blessing and Marquis happy and say we shall no. Let us all support the call. Now the Osia Marquis happy behind the Enfanye. Kwasia ho brasie and I mean do woman santimane kotoko utun for a sort time chipampe until we shall kwesi apia. That is the news until we support now here. Remember why be munyo just before I me rest studio I mean kwesi kasai. He's okay, he's happy, he's comfortable and he believes that the ohenia can so no be no na ono kra ne ho adwiri no the way I still our ohene eda so wo GDO ni mu se kwesi call the rechra amoako. Nemom adwuma na ewo fie no mpesa ukoso na abo amene ye ejikwasi so age atum se obeso Asantima na otumfo to obe ne sa pepepe ti dia aka no right
nana kwa medan kwa kasama koroko yes IMC akosi apia kan one granted permission so bet mako Sudan channel so ma me yego so koroko yenko ba bia prosper net ogum coach pani de ma koroko den samo to dwa se koroko fans enya botre bibia be fan fi no team no first match ko year na say I'm a draw this second match of work about Vim and Vogo. Monfa Vim Mamo.
Team that can compete at any level. And building a team that can compete at any level, you need some patience, you need some time to be able to do that. I know the club I'm coaching is all about results. But the result will come if we do the right things from the beginning. And to me, as a technical staff and the Palace and the IMC, we are doing the right thing by trying to make sure that we put a formidable team. So they have to be patient. They should look at the positives in the game. I mean, apart from the result at the end of the match, they should sit down and look at the positives. Did we play well? Let's say from the back, were we able to consolidate the possession in the middle of the park? And then when we're able to consolidate the possession in the middle of the park and we got to the final third of the opponent, were we able to create the chances? And if we created the chances, were we able to hit some shots on target? How many of them were obviously supposed to be a goal ball? How many of them were quarter chances? These are the things. And I'm sure if they sit down in the comfort of their workplaces and their homes, wherever they are, and they look at it from this point of view, they can easily tell whether the team is a hopeful team or it's not a hopeful team. It's a process. We are building a new team. We are building a team that can compete at any level. And
right. Coach Prosper Nete Ogumna, watch him say, I'm going to build a team, a bit to compete at any level. Jabotre and we here. Yede, one million has to focus for every year. Our next game against Bafo Kwatan or your way. Now, we are Mokoya Nkoye and Coach Martin Koopman, head coach. Or then someone to you say, there, some of the money now away games in the so much be winning. Now, what the Bafo Kwatano and a chassis.
We know what they have in the team, so they have qualities, but we have also qualities, and I'm always looking for my own team, and I know how they play, so we prepare very good for that game. The players who are injured, they are also injured from last year, and they're still coming back, and Linda is on the way back, and Enoch is coming back, so yeah. The players who are not there, it's a pity, but they're fighting back, and that is the new thing in Hartsevolk. We play on Thursday, also friendly matches, so they come back in such games, and that's good for them. Yeah, we know what they have in the team.
Right. I should look at a canana no crowd to folk for a coach now. Or then somewhere to a just I don't know. Chana Somame say, yeah, but weekend in Musano, yeah, so Pesca Credigo Bottom na, gamepack.com. I'm on a make count for Modiama, pick 1 about pick 4, so, and an part 9, yeah, draw back or 12, your bed draw, and you rest 6 your bed draw. It's 3 times ye. Well, to me, any video, next found gym, gamepackgames.com, or between Swadale, star 946 hash. Now, what the actually know what this get your good to be Abadano, was on the be no who number bit my hand, be the times 26. Diego to call by Binia, the Richoko, and a Pabia Bomber Richoko, Miriako, Mimi, and Bruno, so now made a preparatory, the breakfast, no, and you restaurant and the preparation, and San Mada, who here been Qualanum, Peninum, Richoko, Papa, start your day well, now, Bibian to me and Queen, Maquidi, Sia Concona, Pena, and then someone day, Ebra was Sergio, Manager Bernard Party, will trade producers, image where, a Shamatadi and Anopay, you call social media by Bia, image where GH, and Marsha, me must social Bia, person or your show piano. Obey now the show niti park. I said, what the Nankasa Beka Kejware, Erica Siru Bwedini.